So this is our finished project floor. We're going to be handing this over to our client today. If you look at that previous video, you'll be able to see what this floor looked like on Monday. It's now Wednesday morning, 9 AM. And now it's back to looking how chestnut should look, which is blonde and light. All those previous marks of damage have been removed. If you remember on the video, we had lines going about every 2 foot across the floor where the sander had run in this direction. They've all been sanded out. All the door thresholds under the radiators are now perfect, flat and smooth. There was a lot of damage under this radiator here, which is now all being removed. Under the kitchen cupboards, under all the units. And that's how we leave our clients' floors.